ITZY Loco dance workout. If you want more ITZY, make sure to check out my Patreon link right here or in the description down below. We have a swipe exclusive to patrons and an additional ITZY mashup. Alright, let's get started.
Loco. 미친단 말이 이해가 안 될까? Oh gosh, 이건 달콤한 똑같아. 출구 없는 방 안에 사방이 너란 거울이야. 굳이 쉽게 말하자면 I feel like I was born to love ya. Oh, I see 차는 캐리. 난 네 주위를 맴돌지. 콩깍지 가버리는 두 눈은 yellow. 켜져 네 손으로 불 꺼진 내 시스템. Too late, want you so bad. 너를 갖고 싶어졌어. 이제 이미 난 fly. 끝까지 가볼래. 넌 날 봐줘 미치게 만들어. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 대체 네가 뭔데? 미쳐 날려 기분이 up and down. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 나도 내가 out of control. I'm getting loco, loco. I'm getting loco, loco. 내게 대체 넌 뭘 원해? 미친 이 맘은 다 갖다 퍼줘도 I'm okay. 하루는 천국을 갔다 왔다 가도 나라 끝까지는 밀어버려. So dangerous, so dangerous. 날 더 망가뜨려도 널 믿을 수밖에 없게 해줘. Oh, I see 찾은 캐리. 난 네 옆자리를 넘봤지. Freak out we need your soul. 끝까지 가볼래. 넌 날 봐줘 미치게 만들어. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 대체 네가 뭔데? 미쳐 날려 기분이 up and down. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 나도 내가 out of control. Loco. I'm getting loco, loco, go. I'm getting loco, loco, go. Oh, oh, oh. I'm getting loco, loco, go. I'm getting loco, loco, go. Oh, oh, oh. 넌 날 완전 미치게 만들어. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 대체 네가 뭔데? 미쳐 날려 기분이 up and down. You got me like cray, cray, crazy love. 나도 내가 out of control. I'm getting loco, loco. I'm getting loco, loco.
Awesome job, you guys. Workout complete. And a big thank you to Ombre Labs for sponsoring this video. If you're someone who is still struggling to flatten that belly and maintain a healthy lifestyle, that's where Ombre Labs Gut Health Test comes in. If you're struggling with things like bloating, weight loss, or even with your mental health, the answer might be in your gut. So your gut actually contains a lot of bacteria, both good and bad. And when there's not enough of the good, the bad flourishes and all the negative symptoms happen, and sometimes working out can't even solve this. And that's where Ombre Lab comes in. Ombre Lab actually can measure your gut health through an at-home test. The test ships straight to your door and comes with really straightforward and sanitary, easy to follow instructions. All you have to do is ship the kit back, and Ombre Lab will provide you detailed results of what foods you should eat more of, what foods you should eat less of, and they can even provide you a recommended list of probiotics to take to make your gut health better. With these results, you'll have a much easier time improving your gut health and therefore improving your overall level of health so that you can lose the weight that you want to and feel like your best self. So if you want to improve your overall physical energy and health, make sure to try out Ombre Lab, linked right here or in the description down below, where you'll get $30 off your gut health kit. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want more exclusive dance workouts to flatten that belly, lose that weight, make sure to check out my Patreon link right here. We have a patron exclusive ITZY mashup. Alright, thank you guys. I will see you next time.